A beginner Christmas tap dance, that's what you're going to learn in this video. Be sure to watch to the end to find out how to stream the music for free and get our Christmas tap pack for just $1. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. Before we jump in, let's watch the combination. Well, there you have it. Let's break it down. So you're going to start with your hands up and your right heel popped. You're going to hold one heel and snap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's roll that. 6, ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Followed by step, snap, step, snap, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, stamp. I'm going to show that again. That was step, snap, step, snap, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, stamp. Let's run it from the top. I'll put some counts on it. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. From here, left foot's free. Flap, heel, step, shuffle, ball change, clap, flap, heel, step, shuffle, ball change, clap. I'm gonna roll that again. 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, step, shuffle, ball change, clap, flap, heel, step, shuffle, ball change, clap. Beautiful! Let's connect it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, a 6, a 7, 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, a 6, a 7, 8. From here, stamp, stamp, spank, step, stamp, stamp, spank, step. Again, that was 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, a 7, 8. Followed by drag, step, sugar, 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 sugar. I'll do that again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's go back to stamp, stamp, spank, step, and connect those two pieces. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super, my friends. Let's do that one more time, same spot. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's take it all from the top. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super! Let's roll that one more time. Here we go. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, my friends. If you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a moment to pause the video and drop a comment down below. I'll give you a second to do it right now. Well, thank you so much. We're going to be tapping to the song Shuffling in the Snow that I co-created with AI, and it's exclusively available through UnitedTaps.com. If you want to stream it for free, you can click on the link down below. And if you want to purchase our Christmas Tap Pack for just $1, more information at the end of the video on that, you can click on the link down below as well. All right, my friends, we're going to try this with music under tempo, and then we'll work our way up to real speed. You're ready to go? Let's do it. All right, let's roll this. Here we go. Beautiful. One more time. I know it's real slow. Hang in there. One more time, and then I'm going to speed it up. Here we go. From the top. 10% under. Let's do it. Let's jump it up to -5. Give it a little bit of a boost there. -5. Here we go. Same thing from the top. It's going to start right away. So be ready. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, it's a little better. Starting to feel better at that speed. Again, same thing. Are you ready? Here we go. Beautiful, my friends. Now we're going to bump it up to real speed. This should feel pretty nice. Gonna go nice and good. Have fun. Here we go. Rolling. Yeah. Let's roll it again. I'm feeling that. Here we go. Let's do it. Rolling. One more time, real speed, make it your best. Here we go, we are rolling. Let's watch the full combination, including the extended version, facing you if all goes well. thank you so much for tapping with me. If you want to learn the extended combination that I just performed for you, click on the link down below. That will take you to our Christmas tap pack, which you can get for $1, which has that extended combination, plus 3 additional combinations, plus the music for all of them, which you can download, and written notes. If you just want to stream the music I use for free, go ahead and click that same link down below. Thanks again for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.